I'm checking out this beautiful community by DR Horton. It's called Copper Canyon out here on 281 and Bulverde Road. So let's take a look at the awesome amenity center that they have. Great place for parties. Fun and games for the whole family. Beautiful hiking trail. I made it to the top of the hiking trail and I would say the views are really pretty. This is one of the best communities that I've seen in a while. They have tons of amenities. It's centrally located. I think this is a really great find if you're looking in North San Antonio for a new home. They still have some available and building some now too. Again, I'm Tanya, your local real estate expert. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.